chorizo scrambled egg, and it's 4 eggs, lovely big handful of nice mixed leaves, slices of chorizo sausage and some bread and butter. £3.40. First of all, I'm just going to slice up my chorizo. It's just a nice little take, and actually Roland has just popped out for a little stroll, so it'll be here for him when he gets back. Off we go. Just dry fry the chorizo. So these don't need too much cooking, they just need to get some of the fat out so that you can use the fat to scramble your eggs. Let's get these eggs. There we go. And I'm going to whisk the eggs. There we go, in it goes. Amazing, amazing colour and incredible smell. This window is fabulously placed for ventilation because obviously when you're doing cooking, even on a very cold day, it gets lovely and toasty in here. Beautiful deep drawers here, so much storage. Okay, so the toast should be nearly ready. Let's get that out, look at that, lovely. Just pop those 2 bits longer. Let's get these nicely buttered. And then over goes your gorgeous chorizo scrambled egg. This is lovely mixed leaves. There we go.